Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, my name is Neha and today I am not sharing a workout video. Despite of that, I am sharing my secrets. The very small changes, that 5 changes I have done in my life on daily basis that has given me the amazing results. Those changes I will let you know today. So without wasting our time, let's get started. The very first change what I have did is water intake. I have increased my water intake 3 liters a day. Second change, meal timings. I have taken my meals on time. Especially I emphasize on dinner. I always take my dinner between 7 to 7:30. Third change, I have modified my meals high rich protein, rich fiber and low carbs. You can do your research for your body type. And the fourth change, I have started the very basic exercises, very basic workouts in our school. Our PT teachers always tell those kind of exercises. I started from those workouts. And the fifth and the most important thing, be consistent, because regularity is very much important to maintain your things. So these small changes, if you will do in your life on a daily basis, you will also get amazing results. And when you will get the results, you will motivate by yourself. And these points I have told you, you can do your research. You can search on Google, YouTube, everywhere you can search how you can do or how you can apply these changes in your life. So for today, only this much. I'll meet you on next video. And friends, if you are liking my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My ID is Neha Singh Gupta. I'll meet you on next video. Till then, bye bye.